Hey guys, I want to do a little review on my Snap-on Toolbox. You know, maybe this might help y'all, it might not, but there is always one tool that it seems like you always need. And I just want to show you what a mine is. It's one of those tools that's hardly ever there when I need it. Definitely need it if you're doing a project, and it seems like I never have enough of it. So let's see if I can show you what it is. It's the most important thing in this box. Oh, there it is. The almighty 10mm.